I warmly welcome to one and all in this inaugural session of online 1 week short-term training program on an introduction to IoT and its application for a smart, transparent and immutable ecosystem sponsored by AICT under Quality Improvement Scheme. I would like to thank AICT for sponsoring this STTP and giving us this golden opportunity to organize the series of 4 STTPs. I feel honored to extend my heartiest welcome to our honorable chief guest, Professor K.K. Agarwal, Chairman NBA, on this occasion. Sir, we are grateful to you for taking out time from your very busy schedule to attend this inaugural session. Sir is a great academician, administrator, visionary, and an eloquent speaker. I still remember his remarkable speech in which he explained the VUCA word in a webinar organized by the ICT Academy 4 months ago. In that seminar, he gave us beautiful statistics on the rate of change in the knowledge of human beings. In 1950, knowledge doubled every 50 years, 1980 in 20 years, 2010 in 3 years, and 2020 in only 6 months. Sir, it's true that we learned a lot during this COVID period. Today, we also have guest of honor Dr. Raghuraj Singh, Professor and Head CSC HBTU, Kanpur. I would like to take this opportunity to welcome him. Sir, we are very grateful to you for giving us your valuable time. It is my great pleasure and honor to welcome Mr. Raman Batra, Executive Vice President, Mr. Praveen Suneja, Director General, Dr. Vinod Kapse, Director, Dr. Praveen Pachauri, Dr. Projects and Planning, Dr. Avjit Majumdar, Director Pharmacy, heads, deans, and faculty members. My cordial welcome to all the participants from different academic institutions and industries across India. It gives me immense pleasure to organize this STTP on IoT as a program coordinator. The objective of this STTP is to provide innovative, inspirational, and intellectual platform for encouraging and promoting the academicians and industry people for enhancing their skills and knowledge in the field of IoT. Department of Science and Technology has designed a mission on interdisciplinary cyber physical system for including all the next generation skills such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, big data, cloud computing, augmented reality, virtual reality, digital twin concepts. Internet of Things integrates all these technologies, cloud of things and web of things to find out the solution of our societies. We all can use IoT in any system to make our system efficient and effective. With all these technologies, we can place our country at the par with other developed nations, and also we can produce next generation skilled manpower for the whole world. 120 new IoT devices connect to internet every second, and now the number of IoT devices is 5 times of the world's population. More devices on internet means more challenges. So security, privacy, and network vulnerability are the main concern in cyber physical system. We will have to think about it also. I would like to request all participants that after acquiring knowledge and skills from this STTP, please try to automate the everyday task of our education system with the help of IoT and AI. This way, teachers can save their times and get involved in innovative and creative things to impart the knowledge and skills to their students. For this, you all have to upgrade yourselves regularly by attending faculty development programs, short-term training programs, seminars, conferences. I assure you all that you will learn a lot in the field of IoT and its application in this week-long STTP. I have invited renowned resource persons from academic and industry for giving hands-on experiences to you all. Resource persons are from IIT Jodhpur, NIT Delhi, DTU Delhi, IIIT Gwalior, NEC Technologies Noida, IIIT Nagpur, Government Engineering College Bilaspur, ETI Labs Delhi, PTC and all. Once again, I welcome you all in this STTP. Jai Hind.